This is the ZenWatch 3. Not only is it the perfect companion to your ZenPhone, it's incredibly stylish too. The circular design is distinctly classic. 3 buttons on the side and the usual touchscreen controls make it easy to navigate. From the stitched Italian leather bands to the jewelry-grade 316L steel body, the ZenWatch 3 really is a sight to behold. Silver, gunmetal, and rose gold options are all available. This premium craftsmanship can withstand the test of time. It's easy to make the ZenWatch 3 your own. More than 50 faces are available for download, plus you can build your own with the dedicated Face Designer app. Dive into the ZenWatch Manager app to make fine adjustments. Have an active lifestyle? The ZenWatch 3 can keep up. You can monitor your exercise with the revamped ZenFit app. It's water resistant, and there are rubber sport straps available. The ZenWatch 3 is particularly clever about charging. The brand new Hypercharge system can top up to 60% in only 15 minutes. With the optional battery pack, you can get an extra 40% charge. Beyond that, a special Eco mode can double your battery life. Plus, the new Qualcomm Snapdragon processor uses 25% less power than the previous generation. The ASUS ZenWatch 3 embodies luxury for everyone. Visit zenphone.asus.com.
London, Paris, New York, Shanghai. Petty theft is common in major cities around the world. According to recent numbers, 400,000 pickpocket incidents occur every day around the world, and these are just the reported numbers. In the metro, a lot of commuters use this goofy way of wearing day bags in the front to outsmart the pickpockets. As a solution to this, the Dutch award-winning brand XT Design has come up with a revolutionary zero-entry anti-theft backpack. Different from normal bags, its genius lies in its unique rear-open structure with hidden zipper fully fitted into your back. In addition to that, high-density and lightweight materials have been added into the fabric, which protects your bag from being slashed or crushed. As a powerful weapon against thieves, it is named Bobby. This backpack comes with a dozen of edge-cutting features like anti-theft, cut-proof, water-resistant, weight balance, night security, USB external charging, etc. How thoughtful! Have you ever imagined being cuddled by a bag 12 hours a day? Our man Sven, 28 years old, like many office workers, he spends 2 hours on the metro every day. Arriving at the ticket barriers, he's already way ahead of others. 3 hidden pockets have been specially designed for quick access to small items. Super convenient. Inside the subway station, he feels safe and secure. The backpack's unique anti-theft feature is reflected in the design. The zipper pulls to the main compartment are completely hidden against your back, leaving nothing but the puzzles to thieves. No wonder he appears so relaxed. Now it's time for work. He starts to prepare for his day. Impressive! Thanks to the multi-divider structure, this small bag has ample storage on the inside and so organized. Isn't that cool? To help you combat the uncertainties, this bag is also spill and stain resistant. Your bag will look brand new. Just wipe it with a cloth. The back panels are made of mesh constructor breathable material, ergonomically designed to bring you extra comfort while you wear your bag all day. Since the weight leans firmly against your back, weight is distributed more evenly, and your back will feel 20% lighter than traditional backpacks. Watch out, you may become addicted to it. After a long day, is your mobile phone running on just one bar? No need to panic. Simply connect the phone to the external charging port. No need to take out your power bank from inside. So easy. Nowadays, people lead busy and hectic lives, and public security systems are not always reliable. How can we feel safer, gain back our stride of confidence and freedom? Choose the Bobby backpack and take charge of your life. XT Design.